Three Chinese astronauts just landed safely in the Gobi Desert after the longest mission in their country's history. But they were never supposed to stay up there for 210 days. It started with something almost invisible. In early November 2025, just before the Shenzhou-21 crew was scheduled to return, ground controllers discovered a small crack in the return capsule's viewport window. The cause? A piece of space debris, most likely no bigger than a grain of dust, striking at 28,000 kilometers per hour. The risk to a crewed re-entry was too high, so China made a remarkable call. The newly arrived Shenzhou-21 crew handed over their own fresh spacecraft to the stranded Shenzhou-20 astronauts, who used it to return safely on November 14th. Then, Beijing launched an unmanned Shenzhou-22 capsule on extremely short notice as a lifeboat for the Shenzhou-21 team, now stuck on the Tiangong station. Commander Zhang Lu, flight engineer Wu Fei, and payload specialist Zhang Hongzhang turned those extra months into a record-breaking masterclass. They completed 3 spacewalks, installing additional debris shielding on the station. They ran advanced experiments in microgravity physics, materials science, life sciences, and aerospace medicine. They returned with 41 kilograms of scientific samples, including artificial embryo specimens and data from space flames combustion studies. Zhang Lu even set a new Chinese record for the most extravehicular activities by any taikonaut, all while the original debris threat that triggered the drama continued circling overhead. Here's the holy shit moment. That microscopic impact wasn't random bad luck. It was a warning shot in an increasingly crowded orbital junkyard. Thousands of pieces of dead satellites, rocket fragments, and collision debris are already screaming around Earth at bullet speeds. One hit can trigger thousands more in a Kessler syndrome cascade that could eventually make entire orbits unusable for generations. China responded the way a rising space power does. They adapted fast, hardened their station, and kept pushing. Before returning, the Shenzhou-21 crew handed over Tiangong to the Shenzhou-23 team, which now includes Li Jiaying, the first astronaut from Hong Kong. One member of that new crew is slated to stay a full year to test long-term human endurance in space. The counterintuitive twist? Every new satellite, every new station module, every new lunar ambition makes the debris problem worse. We're not just racing to the moon by 2030. We're racing to master an environment we ourselves are slowly poisoning. The big insight is sobering. Space isn't the final frontier anymore. It's becoming a high-speed junkyard with teeth. And the next crew that finds their window cracked might not have a spare ship launched in days. If this kind of fragile reality check on our reach into the cosmos hits different, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, should we treat space debris cleanup as an urgent global priority before we flood orbit with even more hardware?